Jasmycoin is about to explode. What's up, guys? I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend. So, it's a new week for Jasmycoin, and Jasmy is currently trading around 0.0144. We are left with 9 hours until this daily candle closes. In this video, we're going to be looking at this important Jasmy price update chart, and also not to forget the 4-hour time frame chart we've been following for a while now. We are briefly going to talk about the BTC dominance chart. Altcoin season is inevitable. This is not the time to panic sell. Please, this is not the time to panic sell. This is the time to panic buy DCA into Jasmy, DCA into potential altcoins you believe in. You understand? This is not the time to jump from one altcoin to another in chase of the green candle. You understand? This is the time to hold your altcoin with conviction. Like seriously, altcoin season is inevitable, and that is what the others BTC pair on the monthly time frame, excluding the top 10 to top 20 cryptocurrencies, are saying. This chart is simply saying we are about to enter into the explosive phase of the market. We are also going to talk about the MACD chart, what the MACD is saying. The last time the MACD printed a bullish divergence in the last market cycle on the orders chart and BTC pair, we entered into a massive explosive phase of the market and topped in November, December. Now, the MACD indicator for the orders BTC pair on the Monday time frame just printed another bullish divergence. Very soon we are going to explode to the upside. Also briefly going to talk about the probability of a rate cut for the month of September 2025. Not to forget the BTC daily time frame chart. BTC just tapped into a bearish breaker block. The last time we tapped into this bearish breaker block, I brought it to you guys' attention and we got a rejection from there. So if we are not getting a rejection from this bearish breaker block this time around, if we are invalidating it, I would love to see BTC flip the $117,600 into a support. The moment that is happening, then we are breaking. Nothing is stopping BTC from taking out the previous high. You understand? But if that is not happening, then I won't be surprised seeing BTC retrace back, take out this previous low, and then briefly dip into the 106k, 105k dollar for BTC. If that is happening, then there will be no cause for alarm at all, because I'll be bagging more Jasmy if I have liquidity. You understand? And this was the point of interest zone for me. So my limit order here already triggered. So if I happen to still have liquidity at my disposal, by the time Jasmy retrace a little bit, I'm going to bag more. But from the look of things, the Jasmy price is already consolidating around this point of interest zone I gave you guys. And previously I told you guys the point of interest zone is a high liquidity zone. You understand? So from the look of things, we are going to sooner or later get a massive explosion to the upside soon on the Jasmy price chart. Not to forget, we are also going to be comparing the orders chart and the Ethereum chart on the weekly time frame. Ethereum is currently in her season, which is the Ethereum season, after breaking out of the $2,900 level. Now I think the moment the orders chart is flipping the $305 billion zone into a support, is going to be a massive altcoin season. So fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. If you're yet to like this video, please smash the like button, destroy the like button before we proceed. My name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel before leaving. Turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video. Now, if you're paying attention to this Jasmy price chart on the daily time frame, you will see that we are currently trading in an obvious bullish pennant, and a breakout of this pennant is likely to be to the upside. The moment that is happening, Jasmy is going to enter into a parabolic mode. I think we are going to begin to rally hard aggressively to the mass. We need to see Jasmycoin flip the 0.017 zone into a support. The moment that is happening, then I think nothing is stopping us from briefly tapping into the 2-cent level. The 2-cent level is an important level we need to take out and validate. I think the moment Jasmy is taking out the 2-cent level is going to usher Jasmy price into a massive Jasmy season, into a bullish season for Jasmycoin. So we need to invalidate the 2-cent zone, flip it into a clean support in order to welcome Jasmy into a new trend, which is likely going to be an uptrend, a massive uptrend. Altcoin season, like I've screamed at the top of my voice countless times, it's inevitable. And I think I dropped a couple of information for you guys on the Telegram channel. And I said I was going to talk about the orders chart, which is what we are going to do. So for those panicking selling now, I think you're doing yourself no good. What you should be doing right now is to panic buy DCA into potential project. And you shouldn't be jumping from one coin to another. That is a very, very, very bad and wrong strategy. That strategy would eventually make you lose a lot of money. The best thing is to trust your conviction and hold on to particular coins you believe in instead of jumping from one coin to another, rotating unnecessarily. Yeah, altcoin season is inevitable, like seriously. And we also talked about this. The truth, a lot of people patience is running out already, and you guys need to hold. Here is the economic calendar outlook for this week. Monday, no news, clear price action. Tuesday, no news, clear PA. Wednesday, expect volatility, which is the day before the CPI news. Thursday, clear price action. Friday, clear price action as well. So yeah, that's that for that. And let's go back to... So by the time the BTC dominance start dropping aggressively, just like it did in 2021 altcoin season, 2017 altcoin season, that is when we are going to explode. That is when altcoins are going to go parabolic, go ballistic, like seriously. And let's not forget the orders chart is already flashing a very, very important signal. The last time this signal flashed here, we sent massively to the upside. The last time it flashed, with altcoin market exploded. The last time it flashed in 2021, altcoin market exploded, and the orders chart / BTC pair, excluding top 10 to top 20 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space, topped in November. You get technically. Since the orders chart topped in December 2021, it has never outperformed BTC since then. I think this is the first time it will be bouncing from this support zone on the monthly time frame and then sending aggressively to the upside. Now, the send is going to be televised. A lot of people are going to get surprised and are going to wish they bought more altcoins now. If you're entering the MACD indicator for the orders / BTC pair on the monthly time frame, excluding top 10, top 20 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space, you will notice the last time this bullish divergence formed, the orders price exploded to the upside. Now, if you're paying attention, the bullish divergence has now formed on the histogram again. And the moment you're seeing this MACD line crossing above the signal line, which is number one bullish indicator, the second bullish indicator would be for the MACD line and the signal line to both cross above the the zero line and head above the histogram. The third indicator will be the histogram flipping green, start forming a green candle. Then you should know we should be in an explosive phase of the altcoin season by then, because before this histogram and MACD line will even cross below the zero line, we should already be in an altcoin season. And by the time they cross above the zero line, we should be approaching the mania phase, the blow up phase. I'm going to be giving you guys a heads up as to when to sell, so you have nothing to worry about. The probability of getting a 25 basis point rate cut for the month of September is now seated at 90%, almost 100%. And the probability of getting larger 50% basis point rate cut in the month of September is now seated at 10%. Fingers crossed, let's see how it goes. We should be expecting the rate cut on the 17th of September 2025. Expect a lot of volatility in the market. If you're paying attention, we have 9 days and 4 hours, 21 minutes until the next FOMC meeting for the month of September 2025. So I think September onward looks very, very promising for the altcoin market. Hold your altcoin very well. This is not the time to panic sell at all. There's no reason at all to panic sell. By the way, whatever I say is strictly my own opinion and should not be regarded as financial advice. But I would be holding my altcoin. I'm not the type that sell. I rather hold my altcoin until zero, and I know I'm wrong with my conviction, than to sell at a loss. You understand? It's either 10x to 100x gain, or I hold until zero. That's just my own strategy for altcoin long-term hold. So yeah, that's that for that. As always, my name is Isaac. If you're here to like this video, please destroy the like button, smash the like button. Peace out.